Whether you're a serious tradie or a home handyman, Chicago's got an airless paint sprayer for your next painting job. Airless means there's no compressors involved. It draws directly from the paint tin, delivers it to the painting surface with high flow for a brilliant finish. Lightweight but solid design. There's pneumatic tyres for mobility and handles to help lift it into the truck to get it wherever you need to work. All three units have a stable point outlet valve system for a consistent flow and the maximum operating pressure of 3,300 PSI. Now the baby over here has a 650 watt motor. It's ideal for the home and handyman use. It's got a 7.6 metre hose for mobility and a flow rate just over 1 litre a minute. Next unit up is this one with a 900 watt motor, a 15 metre hose and a flow rate of 2.1 litres per minute. The big bertha of the bunch is this unit here with a 2200 watt motor, a flow rate of 3.2 litres per minute. It's also got a digital display for diagnostics and greater control. All three units are ideal for internal or external use with paints, lacquers and varnishes that are suitable for spraying. Both these larger units are intended for serious professional painters and they include an aluminium extension wand to increase the reach of your gun. If you've got a big painting job ahead of you, check out the Chicago Airless Painters on our website or drop into your local Sydney Tools. And you got any questions, hit me up in that comment section below. Until next time, I'm Tim and you're watching Sydney Tools TV.